Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Big Mike here. Today I'm in Terrie's kitchen and we're going to do a little social experiment with our chickens. And we'll involve Georgie with it too because he loves eating with the chickens, as everybody knows. So, yesterday Terrie went to KFC in Ada, Oklahoma and purchased a bucket of chicken, and we started eating it. I said, man, this don't taste right. It's like they didn't clean the vat when they fried the chicken. You know, when you go there and you order the crispy chicken, it's nice and light and crispy and everything. Well, this was like, if you get the original recipe, that's what the skin looked like, but it wasn't an original recipe. So we ate a little bit and I said, man, I can't eat this. And Terrie said the same thing. So today we're gonna bring KFC to our chickens. That's right, KFC to the chickens. Chickens will eat anything. So we're gonna try this. Of course, we'll let Georgie in there like I said before. So, hey, watch this. All right, so there's the bucket of KFC. I tore all the meat off the bones. I put the coleslaw, the potatoes in there, and that's what we're gonna give the chickens. So I'm thinking they're gonna devour it up because they're like vultures when it comes to people food. So, all right, let's go outside and see what happens. All right, I got the door open. Cheek, 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 cheek. Here they come, look at them. All right, guys. Hey, I got a treat for you. Come on. Come on, chick, 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 chicks. All right. Come on, chick, 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 chick. Come on, guys over there. Get over here. Come on. Here they come. All right, guys, this is called KFC. Are you guys listening to me? This is called KFC. It's from the Colonel. He's a good friend of yours. Okay? So I'm gonna dump this out for you guys. There's the Colonel. Colonel's all over the ground. Look at him. All right, guys, eat away. Hey, get back here with that chicken. I'm telling you guys, they love it. Here's the bucket, guys. You guys can play with the bucket. You guys can play with the bucket. I don't think they realize that's their cousins. But they go for the meat first. Oh, she likes the potatoes and coleslaw. Is that good? They get a piece and they run off with it. There's a whole bunch over here, guys. You don't have to chase each other. Is that good? Look at them. They love KFC. They love KFC. Should I go get Georgie? I think he's in the shop. Let's go get Georgie. All right, there's Georgie. Georgie, there's KFC. Come on. He sees him now. Oop. He sees him now. Georgie, you're gonna go eat some KFC? Come on, Georgie. Come on, Georgie. He doesn't realize what it is yet. Come on, Georgie. Look at these chickens. That was too quick, me moving it over. Georgie. There's Georgie. Hey. He goes, what? Good boy, Georgie. That's the only chicken you can have. Okay? That's the only chicken you can have. All right, well, there you have it. Chicken approved, KFC. Yeah. There's Ladybug. She likes the kernel. There you go. She likes the skin. Hey, no fighting over there. No fighting. Come on. So there you go, guys. The chickens love the kernel. All right. Hey, if you got table scraps and you're not feeding your chickens table scraps, you're doing an injustice to the chicken world. All right. Hey, guys, thanks for coming along watching this short video. We love you. Be kind to one another. Help somebody in need, like my chickens. And always think of that. All right, guys, till the next video. We love you. God bless you. And we'll see you then. Bye. All right, guys, make sure you share. Make sure you share. Georgie, do you like that, Georgie? Look at Georgie. He's such a good kitty. Remember, Georgie, only cooked chicken. Only cooked chicken.